Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. I've been receiving a lot of requests for egg fried rice and paneer fried rice. I finally plan to prepare all my fried rice requests recipes. So today I'm going to be posting you paneer fried rice. Very simple set of ingredients required for this recipe, and you can serve it for a large group. We'll require cooked and reserved basmati rice. A day-old rice will be preferred for this recipe. Finely chopped onion, finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped capsicum and finely chopped chilies. We require paneer which is chopped into tiny bite-sized pieces, Schezwan chutney which is easily available in the market. I also have a recipe for Schezwan chutney, crushed ginger and soya sauce. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe. Apart from this recipe, I've got a lot of other recipes and reviews posted on a regular basis, so visit my blog for regular updates. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added 2 tablespoons of oil. First added the paneer, and I'm going to fry the paneer. It has to turn light brown in color. Don't fry it too much, otherwise it will burn fast. So once I finish frying the paneer, I'm going to drain it using a slotted spoon. We are going to use the same oil to prepare the fried rice. So all the fragrance from the paneer would have penetrated in the oil, and we'll use the oil. It will taste very nice. It will have that ghee taste. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The recipe is posted here is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Now to the existing oil, I've added a tablespoon of ghee and the crushed and reserved ginger and garlic. I'll fry it for a minute so that the raw flavor reduces. The flame is on low at this point, otherwise the ginger and garlic will burn. Now I'll add the onion, finely chopped chilies, cabbage and capsicum. Fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. Here you can see the onion is starting to turn transparent. At this point I'll add the Schezwan chutney. I've added the soya sauce. Check for salt and add salt. If required, you can add salt, but the chutney and soya sauce already contains a lot of salt in it. I've added just half a teaspoon of salt. Now I'll add the paneer. I'm going to reserve a little bit of paneer for garnish later. This fried rice you can prepare in a jiffy. If you have got a large group or you've got some party organized, you can prepare different varieties of starters and you can serve this fried rice. Now I've added the basmati rice. Basmati rice tends to break fast, so prepare it ahead of time and store it in the fridge so that it's easy to separate and then you can mix it easily. I'm gently stirring it so that I don't break the rice. You have to use very soft hands for this. Don't be in a hurry in mixing it. Basmati rice gives a good flavor. Now I have been gently mixing this rice. It is heated all the way through. At this point I'll add lime juice and coriander. A typical Indian style fried rice will always have coriander and lime juice in it. Now I'll mix the rice and it's ready to serve. I've gone ahead and served my paneer fried rice. Garnish it with the paneer that I reserved earlier, and I've served it hot. Turned out excellent, friends. Do try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, don't forget to subscribe and post your comments and also like this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.